Hey dolls, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Esther, where I do a little bit of everything here on my channel. Oh my gosh guys, I'm literally so excited for this amazing fall look. We are doing a final fall look. I might do one more depending when I put this one out, but we are coming close to December and you know what that means. It's time, but not just yet. So I wanted to put out one more fall video for y'all, going out with a really nice makeup look. We have the coppers, we have the rosy cheeks, and we have the burgundies and the browns. Yes, I know guys, we're in a new setup. Please ignore all that. I'm sure I already said it in the intro, but anyways, we're doing a full glam. I just finished blending out the concealer on the brows, so before we do anything else, I am gonna go in with the First Aid Beauty. This is a really fantastic primer. I got it in my gratis. It's the Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. It's priming moisturizer. The reason that I like it is because I had no issues. Watch, I'm gonna have an issue with it today. No, I'm not. Just kidding. And because I hate that sound, and because we want super full coverage. I don't even know, like, I feel like I'm all over the place, but Juvia's Place concealer on the blemishes. This is in the shade 16. I think that's a little bit too dark for me, but don't care. This is the Lancome foundation. We will be going in pretty heavy with this one and just a little bit light with the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the soft lit one. Y'all are like, you're so wasteful. I don't care. I'm literally gonna use all of this foundation. And like, it does not look like it matches my neck. I don't care. It matches. The blush that I'm going in with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and it has a brush on this side and then it has the blush on this side, which I actually find to be quite neat. It's really easy to travel with as well. So we're gonna bring it up here just like that. Let's go ahead and blend out this concealer, y'all. I feel like this brush is like on its last leg. I don't even know if I should use this. Anyways, y'all, I am so excited for some upcoming videos that I have planned. I cannot wait to film those. I already have everything planned. It'll probably be my next YouTube video, but ooh, I am so excited. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. In between these little blending breaks that I'm taking, just like, you know, patting my face down, I'm watching Vanderpump and it is like getting so good. I'm on season 2 right now, like on the reunion. Oh my god. Like, there's like the drama and the juiciness of it all. It's like my life will never ever ever have this much drama in it. And I'm like, thank the Lord for that, first of all. But like, what a life to live, like crying every 5 minutes, worrying about your boyfriend cheating on you, like just being like a absolute psychopath. Like, you know what? Like, why not? Like, what the hell? Why not? Okay, as you can see by the powder puff I'm swinging in my hand, we're gonna go ahead and set our whole face. This is the pink powder that I like to use on this cheek area, and the regular translucent powder that I use all over my face. Okay, I am actually not allowing myself to use the Too Faced Natural News palette because I feel like I use that in every video. So we're going in with the Kylie Cosmetic palette. First shade that I want to go in with, I think, will be Chestnut. Yeah, let's go in with Chestnut. I feel like that's a really, really pretty brown color. And just pack it on right here. I did not buy this palette. I actually got it in my gratis. So yeah. And I'm just bringing it to like this kind of middle area. But a little bit further than the middle, I guess, because it kind of looks further than the middle. Okay guys, I fixed the eyeliner and I feel like I like it. I feel like it looks a little uneven, but it's just because like the angle and like the way that I'm looking at y'all. But I feel like it looks really, really nice. I feel like it accentuates the eyes and the eyeshadow in like the full glam of it. Like just having like a chunky eyeliner, but it's also like the eyeshadow, which makes it feel more glam. Like I feel like eyeshadow liner is so much better than like liquid eyeliner. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer. Y'all already know. I truly love like her packaging. It's just so like rich, you know? Okay, so first we're gonna go in on the forehead a little. Just like that. And like, I feel like that just warms everything up so much. I think we're gonna do, I don't know. I'm going insane. I don't know if I want to do glitter or not. And we could do this one. But the only thing that I noticed with this one is like whenever you have like a patch of dryness or like a really big pimple, it loves like clinging to it. But it's okay. Anyways, this is the Too Faced. This is the Cloud Crush blush. This is in the shade Watermelon Rain. And it smells delicious. Gotta bring in the big guns. The fingers. See like how it like starts clinging to it a little bit? Like I hate that like texture. I look a little crazy now, but it's okay. This one and a little bit of this one. And this palette is like years old. It's probably expired, rotten, probably needs to be thrown away, but I love it so much. So I'm gonna use it. Okay, and then we're just gonna kind of like pack it into there. See how it like brings it out a little bit more? I want to create a harsh line with a brush, like a flat brush with this chestnut shade, and create like a cut crease, like a harsh crease right there. Sort of like we're going in with the Juvia's Place. With the mascara, I'm gonna do a combination of the Fan Fest from Benefit and then the Bad Gal Bang also from Benefit. I'm gonna do this off camera. It's probably gonna take me like 20 minutes to do my lashes because that's how long it takes me to do my lashes. I'm sorry about it. Okay, I'm still doing my lashes. Don't judge the way they look. But I did go in with the Fenty Beauty, the one that I was using earlier, and I went in with it on my waterline just to make it pop a little bit, and then up here, right there as well, with the brownie shade from Juvia's Place because it's like a brown maroon, and then the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick because I think that one would look good, but we'll see. I like this better. So on top of this, I'm not done blending it out yet, but it's the liquid lipstick from Too Faced. It's the lip injection lipstick in the shade It's So Big, but I thought this looks a lot better than like the pale pink. I thought it was gonna bring out a little bit more pink, but it's a lot softer, so I wanted a little something more pinky. So I just did that one from Too Faced, and I think that one looks a lot better. So we're just gonna like fix this now. Thank you dolls so much for watching today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for my channel. And thank you guys so much again for 100 subscribers. I know for some it might be a really small milestone, but for me, I am really grateful for that, and it makes me so happy that y'all actually enjoy the content that I put out. So I'm really grateful, and I'm so blessed, y'all. Thank you so much. I love y'all so much. Thank you again for watching today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.